Mama Quara's channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make the homemade cleaning wipes. Okay, are you excited? Guys, cleanliness is the best policy in the house. Guys, this homemade cleaning wipes has been proven by me and my family. Proven and tested. Okay, are you excited? Let's go! Guys, we're done with our homemade cleaning wipes. Look at. Okay. Smells so good. And the rest of the mixture, just put that in the spray bottle. And then you can use the rest of the mixture for cleaning the toilet bowls, the washroom, shower tubs, and the rest of the areas in the house. Okay, so we'll just put the rest of the mixture in the spray bottle. Guys, our homemade cleaning wipes and the homemade cleaning spray and the homemade cleaning wipes. As I said, cleanliness is the best policy in the house. Guys, all our ingredients are all natural and non-toxic. And most of the ingredients to be used for our mixture for the homemade cleaning wipes and the homemade cleaning spray are all in your house. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video and you learned something how to make our homemade cleaning wipes and homemade cleaning spray. That's all for this video guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment below, and subscribe to Mama Juarez channel. Bye for now. God bless you all. I love you guys. Bye. Stay safe. God bless you all. Take care. Bye.